It's very important every game. For me, every game is important, and for me, it's a crucial game, every game. But I hope to win, and now every game for us is same one final of Asian Cup.
Right.
We play every game for win because it's our chance. If we don't win one game, the hopes for us come in the zero.
Very good addition to the team.
You speak about the
Kavin Lobo.
come to us.
Yes.
Yes, it's very important. In this moment, he's not fit with the preparation, but it's a real good player.
And
I hope to help us.
went and beat Indian Arrows away, so that gives you confidence.
I play about 1 month, I think. It is we play in Indian Arrows. We won 1-0, and the team is strong. It's not a bad team. It's young. The players young. They want to show all the people they have good value. But we try to win. Sure, because we play, I told you, every game with great concentration. For that, maybe because every game is very important, sometimes we do the mistake, see the game with Neroka.
Yes.
But normal, we cannot compare this situation with situation from last season. And now Churchill Bros is a good team, is a strong team, and I think tomorrow we win.